Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Happy August and happy Sunday. So today's video I have a new collection. This is their August collection by Nail Addict. They release new colors every single month, which I think that is very great. So they do offer a variety of shades and colors. So here I do have their 6 new colors. We have the color Freedom, Forest Mural, Sea Foam, Take a Sip, Teaser, and Marble Pink. I absolutely love all of these colors, but I can definitely say my favorite one is between Sea Foam and Marble Pink. These two are like super pretty. So I do want to go ahead and just talk more about the bottles. Then after I will be going ahead and doing a review and swatching, and I also will be doing a stiletto press on set to show you guys how to use these colors. So one thing I do love about Nail Addict is the bottle design. They have the swatch up here with the color, and they also have the label with the color. And I find this super neat because it's way better than having to, open the bottle and see what the color is inside. I think it just takes away from all that stress. I hate doing that. I have a few of them that I do have to do that, or I have to make a swatch for me to be able to see the color. And with this one, whether you store them on your shelf or whether you store them inside your desk, I think this is very great. I store my gel polishes right by my desk in a drawer there, and I'm able to see the color easily without me having to, struggle with finding them. And if you store them on the shelf, you're also able to see the label here and the swatch up here, which is super great. These bottles are 15 milliliters each, so you do get a lot of product. And then here you guys can see that they are vegan, cruelty-free, and the 9-free formula, which means they are free of 9 toxic ingredients found in gel polishes. So these are very great for your nails as well. So they do have a very pleasant smell. They all smell like bubblegum to me, and I just find that super pleasant. They don't smell like any harsh chemicals at all, and I just love that because I am very sensitive to certain smells. So yeah, that's a very great thing. They also are very affordable, and you guys are able to use my discount code PRISCILA for 45% off 2 or more gel polishes on their website. So we'll be sure to leave a link down below. Also, I do love their thin formula. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the formula like this. The formula is very thin, so they are not thick, so I really like that because when you're painting on the nail, whether you add 2 or 1 coat, the nail won't bulk up or lose its shape as well. So I love that. And they are very pigmented. I mean, very pigmented. So if you don't want to struggle with having to add a second layer or second coat, these gel polishes are definitely for you. So here are all the swatches. Now next, I'm going to be using these painted desert quick gel tips in the style XL Stiletto. I am an affiliate with them, so you guys are able to use my discount code PRISCILA for money off your purchase. So I already went ahead and adhered them onto my natural nail using a rubber base, and this is how they look, and just look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and be showing you guys the design that I made previously to, just show you guys what I had in mind beforehand. And so here next, I'm going to grab this buffer and I'm gently buffing away the shine from the nail tip so the gel polish adheres very well. We get no peeling, and there's no reason to be adding a base coat because it's gel and gel, it should adhere pretty well. When it's plastic, I do definitely recommend doing a base coat, but for this, I don't think it's necessary as much. I went ahead and grabbed a brush to remove that dust, and next I'm going to go ahead and be doing that to the rest of the nails, and this is how they look. I'm watching her over my shoulder, still lying here wide awake. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the color Sea Foam. It's a beautiful turquoise color, and I absolutely love it. It's super pretty. And so I'm going ahead and just painting a very thin layer onto my nail, then curing for 30 seconds. For reference, I am using a 120 wattage lamp, if you guys are wondering. So once I have that done, I'm going to grab this. It's like a Q-tip, but not really. It just helps super well, and I highly recommend you guys buy these. And it just helps clean up any excess gel polish that I got onto my skin. And so anywho, after doing that, after curing, I went ahead and now I'm applying my top coat by Nail Addict. Here I'm going in with the color Marble Pink, super pretty peach tone color. And I'm going ahead and just paint a thin layer again, like I said, and then I'm going to go ahead and then cure for 30 seconds. For the rest, I'm basically just doing 2 coats for each nail, then apply my top coat, then curing, right? And I'm also, between each layer, I'm also curing, just so you guys know. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy that, and now we'll be back when we start doing the nail art.
I try to be cool and you say we shouldn't do that. For you, all the time on my mind, just forget it. You know why? Cause you're mine, let me get it. Don't know why, I don't mind, won't regret it. Girl, you make me feel right. You got me saying stupid shit like dummies. You got me wrapped up on my inside.
I went ahead and top coated each nail, and now let's begin on our nail art. I'm taking the color Take a Sip and I'm placing some onto my palette here. I'm also going to be placing a little bit of the color Teaser. Next, I'm going to be using the liner brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line, and I really like how the line came out, so I went ahead and flash cure that. Because in case I make a mistake when doing any of the leaves, instead of having to remove my whole design, I'm just removing the mistake that I made. But yeah, I'm just going ahead drawing these leaves. Very pretty leaves. They were really hard to make, honestly. But I think overall the effort of it and the end was so worth it, and I 100% really loved the design and the outcome.
Haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you up? Said I was coming to your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change. Yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. In our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy cause
So next, I'm going to be applying some foil, and I'm going to be using this UV glue. It has a brush, so it's super easy to use. And I'm using the little brush here to place a little bit onto the part where I want my foil to stick, just like so. Then I'm placing my foil on there just like so. Then once I have my placement down, then I'm going to go ahead and then cure for 30 seconds.
Feels like we're right where we left off, but now I'll make sure this time I make it count.
So next, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little bit of dots on here, and then also I'm going to draw some up on the left hand corner by the cuticle area. So here I'm going to go in with some of this Rosalind rhinestone glue. I highly recommend it. It has no tacky layers, so once you place it on there, you're good to go. And it's super thick, so great for rhinestones. Here's my rhinestone placement, my rhinestone, caviar beads, wax pen. And so here I'm grabbing a dotting tool and I'm placing some of that rhinestone glue onto the nail. Then I'm placing my rhinestones. So just a heads up, these rhinestones are not AP rhinestones. They're the cheapest type of rhinestones you can ever see or find. I just wanted to find a use for them because I have tons of these and they were just laying around, and I thought maybe, just maybe, they would work out. They did not work out. I think actually the rhinestones were okay. The only thing is that they're just so cheap and they don't like, you know, shine as much. But then also the caviar beads did get some discoloration when I washed my hands. I washed and scrubbed these with soap and water because when using the wax pen, you know, it does leave a little bit of that wax onto the rhinestones. So I wanted to go ahead and clean that, and it just messed the whole design up. I'm gonna go ahead and place some of the colors Seafoam, Freedom, and Forest Mirror onto my little palette here. Now using the dotting tool, I'm going to go ahead and draw 5 dots on here just like so to create a little daisy. Then once I have that done, I'm grabbing a liner brush and I'm just going ahead and pulling some of that gel polish inwards to the middle of the nail. This is super easy design to do, and so yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing that. Then I'm going to go ahead and then cure. I'm going to go in with some of the glitter gel polish, and I'm just drawing the little dot in the middle just like so. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and be doing the same exact design here and through the entire nail. I think I did about 4 flowers, like in a little type of swirl placement, but yeah. So this is how the nails look so far. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Enough today, I've had it now. Enough, you say I'm not around. It's tough, I know I wasn't there. It's rough admitting I was scared. And now that you haunt me, I feel it, you're killing me softly. I need it like no, I need it early. It's all the same, the same, the same. You said you would not take my hand, and you really couldn't do it. I guess you really couldn't do it. Life is hard to understand, having trouble getting through it. People talking and assuming, sipping coffee, wasting the day away. Life is rocky, bills they don't stay away. Done with talking, music just let it play, let it play, let it play. And now you still haunt me, I feel it, you're killing me softly. I need it like no, I need it early. It's all the same, the same, the same. You said you would not take my hand, and you really couldn't do it. I guess you really couldn't do it. Life is hard to understand, having trouble getting through it. People talking and assuming.
So here's how all the nails look once I've finished my nail art. Now let's go ahead and get ready to top coat. I'm going to be using my Born Pretty Super top coat. I'm going ahead and just top coating the nails that I did my nail art on because I did use some alcohol. So the top coat that I used previously, it does get dull when using some alcohol. So now I'm going to just top coating that just like so. Once I've top coated it, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. So now that they're cured, I'm going to go in with some of this Painted Desert Peach Succulent Cuticle. It smells super pleasant and it helps my nails grow way faster and it keeps them super healthy. So I highly recommend this cuticle. I'm going ahead and placing some onto my cuticle area. Then I'm going to go ahead and then rub that in for a while, just like so. And that's basically it. Again, this is Nail Addict's new August collection. I made sure to incorporate each color into the design. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it so much, and also use my discount code Priscilla for money off your purchase. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.